In today's video we are going to check out the best Bluetooth speaker made specially for outdoor party. This list is made based on my personal experience and they are rated based on quality, durability and value for money. To see the price and find out more information on this Bluetooth speakers, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest technology reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is Prorack Club 3000 12-inch 3000 watt. If you're looking to go big, then the Prorack Club 3000s will be exactly what you are looking for. These speakers blast 3000 watts of power. This is enough to have a decent-sized club bumping all night. It may even be hard for that special lady to hear the cringe-worthy pickup line you drop. In any case, these speakers come with all the professional attributes you need in a pair of loud party speakers. With active and passive subwoofers, all the cable length you need, Bluetooth connectivity, and some of the strongest sound you can find, these speakers are really dressed to impress. They are loaded with so many professional-grade qualities that any full-time DJ or show promoter could consider them a go-to. If you need the best you can get for loud party speakers, go for this one. When it comes to truly commanding a crowd with a huge sound, these speakers are right in the cosmos. This is a truly professional PA system and is perfect for anyone throwing those knockout parties for more than just friends. At number 4 is Sony GTKXB7BC high-power home audio system. Sometimes, versatility is key when you are looking to pick up a new party speaker. This portable Bluetooth speaker has a convenient two-way design that is meant to allow you to lay it down flat or stand it up for any situation. Extra bass is the focus on this party speaker. The sound is very clear and will work great for parties that need a little extra low-end added to the beat. Party chain capabilities allow you to connect it to other speakers for a wider listening experience. It is connectable via Bluetooth or using the included wires when you want to have a mixer or any other system hooked up. It has LED lights at a little more of a pump-up feel when you need to create a bigger atmosphere. Standing 33 inches tall, this speaker will bring you loud party music but is also small enough to move around when the party is on the move. This is a great party speaker and it is really easy to use. You can set it in multiple positions and easily connect to your device. Running your best party tunes through this powerful bassy speaker will be easy and satisfying for every party you throw. At number 3 is Wireless Active PA Speaker System. Sometimes, along with a pair of speakers that gives you the best sound, you also want a speaker that adds vibrancy to the party too. This Wireless Active PA system is one of the best large Bluetooth speakers available to you. All you need to do with this speaker is connect your Bluetooth device and stream straight through the speaker. Inputs for instruments, microphones, and accessories allow you to use the speaker for many different purposes. You can use it simply as a music player for your party, or throw a little karaoke action in there when the mood is right. Everything is easily adjustable with controls on the top, and a stand is included which will host the speaker up to 35 mm. The sound on this speaker is fantastic and it is incredibly easy to use. The LED lights add a little bit of flair for the party along with whatever lights you are using. At number 2 is Proact Party 12 Portable 12-inch Woofer. If you're looking for a pair of loud Bluetooth party speakers, these may be the right ones for you. This product has two 1000-watt speakers which make it the best for outdoor parties or medium to larger sized events. Along with the necessary cables to hook your speakers up, they are also Bluetooth enabled for a little more mobility. These party rock speakers are a little less portable but will blast the sound that you need through the 12-inch drivers and woofers. These speakers are best to hook up a DJ through a mixer or have a live band play to your crowd. They resemble the standard type of speaker you will find at most events with a party atmosphere and will deliver the quality you need without delay. This PA system comes with everything you need to throw the best party on the block. If you're looking for a really reliable pair of speakers to broadcast the best music at your parties, then look no further. These are some of the best large party speakers on the market and won't be leaving you wanting more. Finally at number 1 is Sony GT KXB90 high-power portable Bluetooth speaker. For any party situation where you want to get people's feet moving, this portable Bluetooth speaker will be just right. The sound is crisp and clear and the battery life is long enough to take you into the early morning. This speaker is great for any music genre and will work for any type of medium-sized party you are throwing. The speaker stands at about knee height but is lightweight and portable enough to move around when you need to. Customizable LED lights will allow you to add a tiny extra touch to the party atmosphere. The speaker is not waterproof, so as long as you keep it away from moisture, you will be rocking all night. This speaker is everything you need for a backyard or house party. The sound is loud and clear and the battery life is sufficient. You will have no trouble creating the atmosphere you want with this Sony Party speaker.